How to fix iPhone camera stuck on black screen. Step 1. Close and reopen the app. Swipe up from the bottom to the middle of the screen to open the app switcher, then swipe the camera app off the top to close it. Sometimes the simplest solution is just to restart the camera app, then open it again to see your issue is fixed. If not, then follow the next step. Step 2. Switch between camera modes. Once you are in the camera app and try to switch between different camera modes, photo, video, portrait, etc. This might kickstart the camera and fix the black screen issue if it's a minor software glitch. Still, it can't be fixed, then try next steps. Step 3. Check for iOS updates. Go to your Settings app on your phone. Tap on General. Then, click on Software Update, and make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Sometimes an outdated software version can cause problems with the camera, and updating might solve it. Now open your camera to check whether it's working fine or not. If it is still not working, then go to Step 4. Restart your iPhone. Activate Siri on your phone. Then ask for a restart your device. Then click on Restart again for confirmation, because a simple restart can clear minor bugs and get your camera back on track. Restarting your device didn't fix the issue. Try. Step 5. Test the camera in other apps. Try using the camera in apps like Snapchat or Instagram to see if it works there. If the camera works in other apps, the issue might be with the camera app itself. If it is still not working in other apps, then consider it as hardware issue. It's best to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store. And that's it.